Today I'm going to show you how you can change your SoundCloud URL. This is going to be the link to your SoundCloud profile. I'm going to show you how you can change it on your phone. So you can't actually do this in the SoundCloud app. So here's how you can actually do it. So you want to go off the SoundCloud app completely and you want to head to a web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome to show you how you can do this, but you can do this in Safari or basically any web browser that's on your phone. So now you want to go to SoundCloud. And when you open up SoundCloud, it'll probably open up the mobile version. You can't do it in the mobile version either. So if you're on Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and you want to enable here desktop site. What that's going to do is it's going to take you to the desktop site, and it's going to basically trick your phone into thinking you're on the computer. Then what you need to do, if you haven't already, is log into your account. I'm already logged in. As you can see here, I can go to my profile. So that's what you need to do. You need to go to profile. And then when you're in your profile, you can zoom in and we can click on this edit button here in the corner. And here we can basically change our display name and any information here, but the one we want to change is the profile URL. So if we click on the little icon, the like pencil icon, you can then change this to whatever you want it to be changed to. And then once you're done, you want to click on save changes, and that's basically how you can change your SoundCloud URL on any phone. You do need to go through this workaround to get on the desktop site, but once you've done that, it's easy and you can change it. Cheers guys, if that helps you out, make sure you leave a like and let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.